Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about signal words for the present progressive tense. These words and phrases help show that an action is happening now or temporary. Let's look at the most common signal words and how they help us understand when an action is in progress. Right now. For example, I am studying right now. This shows that studying is happening at this exact moment. Or here's another example. They are playing basketball right now. This means they're currently playing right as we speak. The phrase right now strongly emphasizes the exact present moment, showing that the action is happening as we speak. At the moment, for example, he's cooking at the moment. This shows that he's currently cooking maybe right as we talk. Or here's another example. She's resting at the moment. Indicates that she's temporarily resting. At the moment can mean the action is happening right now, but it also allows for a slightly broader time frame around the present. Currently. They are currently working on a new project. This highlights that their work is ongoing. Or here's another example. I am currently reading an interesting book. This shows that reading is happening over a period, even if not right now. The word currently works well to describe actions they are ongoing over a period, like a project or a book, even if it's not at this exact second. Today, this week, or this month. For example, I am taking a break from work this week. This shows the break is just for this week. Or here's another example. We are visiting new clients this month. Shows that meeting clients is a temporary focus for the month. Using time phrases like today, this week, and this month signals that the action is temporary and limited to a specific period. There are some other helpful signal words that highlight present progressive actions, especially in specific situations. Right away. For example, she's starting on the project right away. Right away indicates she's beginning immediately. These days, nowadays, for example, he's eating healthier these days, emphasizes a temporary change in habit. These extra signal words add more context to present progressive actions, whether they're starting immediately, happening now, or showing a recent change. Why signal words are important? Signal words aren't just for show. They actually play an important role in helping us understand when an action is happening. Here's why they matter. Clarify timing. Signal words help establish that an action is happening now or is temporary, which helps us see the difference between the present progressive and simple present. Set expectations for duration. Words like this week or nowadays suggest that the action won't last forever, giving the listener a sense of how long it might go on. Enhance emphasis on the present moment. Words like right now and currently make it clear that the speaker is focusing on something happening in the moment. Using signal words with the present progressive tense is a great way to reinforce that an action is happening now and won't be permanent. So, signal words help make our sentences clearer by showing when the action is happening and giving extra context. By using words like right now, currently, this week, and nowadays, we can make sure our listeners or readers know that the action is in progress or only temporary. Thanks for watching this video. Practice using these signal words in your own sentences and see you in the next lesson.